Hey everyone, welcome back. We've got behind us here our 2022 Ford 6.7 Powerstroke F350 Tremor package. We had a video a couple months back we released talking about how we just recently got this truck, and we started development and actually have been testing for a little while now a lot of new Ford product for the 6.7 Powerstroke owners. So adding another truck to our shop truck stable for taking to events and shows and showing off our product line on. We can't leave anything alone, we can't leave the factory, so we left it up to the sales team guys and marketing to put a real basic, mild build list together, and I thought I'd go over that today on the upgrades that we've done to this 2022 Tremor that you'll be seeing out at events this year with all of our new WCFab product under the hood. One of our new products actually that's going to be getting released soon is our fabricated aluminum rear differential cover. Very similar to the differential cover that we've offered for many years for the GM and Dodge platform, now going to be available for the 6.7 Powerstroke as well. We're going to be offering the two different versions, the 12 bolt and the 14 bolt, depending on which rear axle you have in your truck. The F250 sometimes comes standard with the 12 bolt axle, and then when you get to the 350s and some of the different option sets that Ford offers, you can have the 14 bolt axle. So that rear diff cover is a nice fabricated aluminum piece and nice stainless hardware, and the additional option for upgraded ARP stainless fasteners as well. Moving forward from the rear of the truck, we've got a set of our traction bars on this truck, the 60-inch version. We now offer a kit that is specific for the Fords with a nice weld-on frame side bracket. Previously we had our universal weld-on kit, which was weld-on brackets at the axle and a weld-on bracket at the frame. Now we do offer a kit specific for the Ford rear axle, whether you've got the 3.5-inch, 4-inch, or 4.5-inch diameter axle tube. We've got an axle side mount bracket that connects to the U-bolts, specific for whichever size axle tube you have. So you can check out the traction bar kits. Those have been available for the Ford platform for a little while now. The next thing we wanted to do with the truck, obviously, is leveling kit, get the truck leveled out, and a nice tire and wheel package, make it look good. We're not one for keeping stock tires and wheels on trucks around here, and definitely not usually stock height. The Tremor trucks from the factory are a little bit taller in the front, so it's only about 1.5 inches of lift in the front, where your standard F250, 350 is going to be like a 2.5 inch lift, non-Tremor package. So we opted for the Wehrli suspension system. We didn't want to do a full-on lift kit, big lift on this truck, because we like to show off the WCFab product under the hood, and you get them too tall and you can't see. So that's why we opted for the leveling kit, give it a nice look. We did the Wehrli Backcountry 2.0 kit, the Backcountry 2.5-inch kit, which comes with their 2.0 spec shock with remote reservoirs that you can see here. Their lift spring, which we powder coated semi-gloss black, upgraded brake lines, and then we opted for the sway bar end link upgrade kit. Might upgrade to their full-on sway bar kit later down the road, but first we wanted to just stick with the factory sway bar and start with that. The Backcountry kit from Wehrli also comes with their upgraded track bar system, which uses some really nice heavy-duty joints, and it's a much stronger track bar. Of course, with our custom powder coat shop, we had to powder coat everything to match, so we coated the track bar to match the truck. And then last but not least, from Wehrli, we did their upgraded radius rod kit that replaces the factory stamped steel radius arms with a nice fabricated heavy 3/16 TIG welded radius rod with adjustable caster components for depending on the lift of your particular setup. So that rounds out the suspension setup that we did on our shop truck here. Gives it a really nice look, not too crazy tall as far as the lift. Of course, with the leveling kit, we had to upgrade the tires and wheels. We're going for a little bit more of an off-road look with this truck compared to some of the other rigs we've done in the past. We've got a set of KMC's GRS model, which is a look-alike beadlock style rim. Opted for the silver finish, which matches the Tremor and the 6.7 Powerstroke badging really nice. Kind of sets it off there versus an all black wheel like we typically would do. It's a 20x9 wheel with a 0 offset. It fits the side of the truck really nice. and still make good use of the fender flares. And then we wrapped those KMC wheels in the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss all-terrain tire. They're a 35-12-50. They fit really nice in the fender well. You could get a 37 to fit, but we opted for the 35 again. We didn't want to get the truck too much taller so that you could still check out under the hood. So, under the hood, you're wondering what's under there. We've been testing a lot of new Ford product over the past several months. We've got a handful of test trucks out there in addition to our personal truck here, and we are really excited to do a follow-up video and start talking about all the new 6.7 Powerstroke product that's going to be releasing really soon. So stay tuned to the channel and keep an eye on what we have to come for the 6.7 Powerstroke. Thanks a lot for watching.